This is the easiest but the perfect rock buns recipe you will see on the internet today. Yes, welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. And because of that, please do not make it the last time of visiting. You will love it here, trust me. So, I just don't want to waste much of your time. Let's start with today's activity and you will love it. I have my butter here, okay? You can go ahead and use any type, okay? You can use your margarine as well if that is what you want. That is 16 tablespoons. Please, the tablespoon is not that big one you have in the kitchen. I will be very happy if you get the one for the correct measurement in the market, okay? Not the bigger one in your kitchen. So that is actually 1 cup, okay? It is 1 cup, and that is 2 sticks of butter. Now I am just going to add my 2 tablespoons of sugar. At this moment, please use the sugar according to your taste because we don't like a lot of sugar, okay, in this house. So I'm just using just 2 tablespoons. Now I have mixed everything together and this is how it looks. Okay, you can see some sugar there because they were like balls, okay? But don't worry about that, it is going to melt. Now I'll bring everything together before we add the next ingredient. Should you don't have the whisk, I mean the one we used earlier, you can use this. If you don't have this as well, this is what you are going to do. You can as well use this, okay, to make it mix very well, or you can just use your spoon to mix everything like how you are seeing on the screen, and you will get that perfect outcome. Okay, now if you don't want to use the spoon as well, you can as well use your hand, and I'm going to show you how you will use your hand. Okay, just the side of your hand or your palm, you use it to, I mean, like you are rubbing something, okay? It will melt perfectly because you know your hand can melt your butter, okay? Those who are bakers, they know what I'm talking about. So you can use your hand to melt it and it works perfectly. In about 14 to 15 years ago, I used to use my hand, okay, to mix it when I used to sell this. Yes. Now I'll go ahead and then add my eggs, mix it very well. If you want to use the egg yolk, you can go ahead and then use only the egg yolk, okay? I have recipe here that I used egg yolk only, and trust me, that is also perfect. So I'll take this opportunity to inform you that you can please go through my videos and then watch other rock buns recipes that I posted or that are on this channel, and you will love it. Okay, so I added 2 eggs, just 2 eggs. After mixing everything, I'll go ahead and add my 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And with this all-purpose flour, it contains half tablespoon of baking powder and then a pinch of salt. Now I'll go ahead and then add my milk, that is evaporated milk, and that will be about 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Mix everything together. If you do not watch the video with sound, you will not know I added salt and then baking powder. This is because I want you to watch with sound, okay, so that you will not blame me, so that you will get every information in the video. And from today onward, that is what I'm going to do. You must watch with sound, and I'm not going to write anything on the screen. That is just by the way. So I added that to it bit by bit till I was done, and when I am done, this is how it looks, okay? So we are just going to put this in our muffin tray and then we are good to go. I know very well someone will write under the comment, you did not add baking powder. I added it, auntie. You didn't listen to my voice. That is just by the way. I added it. You Now I will put everything there and then we bake it. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. And for short videos, oh my goodness, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and our YouTube shorts. You will love it. So I'll put this in my oven for about 40 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit, and it was perfect. Please study your oven, okay? Your oven is not the same as mine, okay? Maybe yours you will need like 200 Fahrenheit, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. So just look at the outcome. Very soft, fluffy, and very delicious. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to take good care of yourself. So I come your way next time. You can't afford to miss the next upload. The truth is that you will love it. See you in the next one. Bye.